Are you searching for the best carpet cleaner? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best carpet cleaners in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. MIUI Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner. The MIUI Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner is a powerful and eco-friendly solution for maintaining clean carpets and upholstery. Its chemical-free operation ensures a safe and environmentally friendly cleaning process, making it ideal for households with children or pets. The compact and powerful cleaner has a power rating of under 800 W, delivering effective suction and cleaning performance without consuming excessive energy. Its 1.4L water tank provides ample capacity for continuous cleaning sessions, eliminating the need for frequent refills. The cleaner is powered by 230V voltage, providing consistent power for reliable performance. CE certified, it meets European safety, health, and environmental protection standards. The compact, portable design makes it easy to store and maneuver around the home, making it ideal for regular use. Made in China by trusted brand MIUI, this cleaner meets high standards of design and functionality, offering excellent value for money.